These are the five theories of Darwin. First, perpetual change. The world is steadily changing and populations of organisms are transformed over time. Second, common descent. Every group of organisms has descended from a common ancestor. All species can ultimately be traced to a single origin of life on Earth. The most important example of common descent is the similarity of physical features among different species. Use the concept of a tree of life to explore the evolution of life and describe the relationships between organisms, both living and extinct. Third, multiplication of species. The evolutionary process produces new species by the splitting and transformation of older ones. The most common interesting example is Darwin's species. The study of the historical processes that generate new species guides much active scientific research. Fourth, gradualism. Most evolutionary change occurs slowly. Provides a plausible explanation for the origin of different bill shapes in the Hawaiian honey creepers. May not explain the origin of all structural differences that we observe among species, hence, scientists are still actively studying these. Fifth, natural selection was Darwin's mechanism for how evolutionary change occurred. Proposes that the fittest individual organisms, those with the characteristics best suited to their environment, are more likely to survive and reproduce, or simply survival of the fittest. Rests on four propositions. Number 1, individuals within a population differ. Number 2, the differences are, at least in part, passed from parents to offspring. Number 3, some individuals are more successful at surviving and reproducing than others. Number 4, successful individuals succeed because of variant traits they have inherited and will pass on to their offspring. Explains why organisms are constructed to meet the demands of their environments in a phenomenon called adaptation.
Created using Powtoon.